Alright, let's get started, shall we? So, really the most complicated part of this chapter is this segment where we're figuring out the skewedness of some parameters. So I did one in class last night, but I'm going to do another one today. It's page 114, problem 21, and I've kind of extracted the formula we're going to use, and then I've input the numbers in here as well. So the first thing it asks is you figure out median, mode, and standard deviation. So you can see I forgot a number here, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have a set of 15 numbers, and again with median, half need to be above and half need to be below. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our median is going to be 15.8. So to get our mean, we're going to add all the numbers together, and hopefully I won't make an error here, which is entirely possible. So I add all that up, I get 328.9, and then I am going to divide that by the number of observations. So that gives us a mean of 21.93 is what I'll go with. I'll round it up here. Alright, so now we need to figure out the standard deviation. So again, there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. You know, we go 3.9 minus the mean, which is 21.93 squared, plus 5.7 minus 21.93 squared. And I'm going to say just etc. from that, and then it's the n minus 1, so it's going to end up being 14. So I'm going to calculate that real quick and see what we get. So we're going to have 6283 divided by 14 equals, and then square root. So we're going to get 21.18. Okay. Now we just plug it into our formula up here to figure out what the Pearson skew is. So we have Pearson skew is equal to 3 over the, so we're going to be 21.93 minus 15.8, and then we are going to divide that by our 21.18, and then from that, so we got 21.93 minus 15.8 equals times 3 equals divided by 21.18 equals. So we get a skewedness of 0.868. That's probably where I would just leave it at that. So alright, so we know our skew is this, so it's slightly positively skewed. Remember, the skew range goes from -3 up to +3, with the center point being 0, so we're going to be right in this area somewhere. Alright, so the other part of this is the book asks you for, and in fact one of your problems asks you for, doing this with the computer method. So what I've done is I've put a video in the announcements that shows you how to use Excel to use the computer method to solve that problem. I won't ask you to do it on any written tests, but I think it's kind of useful for you guys to get an introduction to the data analysis toolkit that's available on Excel as well. So take a look at that video. It'll show you how to calculate the computer SKU number. Alright everybody, have a good one.